Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this graphic, which is a void spot of the flower and a butterfly. And they were trying to figure out a quicker way. Well, you know what? Let me make a copy of this. They were trying to see, you can see it's transparent because of the yellow box effect. They were trying to figure out a faster way than to go through here with the Smart Fill tool and fill everything in, because some of them are pretty little and it's going to take some time. So I'm pretty sure there is. So what we're going to do, I'm going to just get rid of the yellow box again. I'm going to take a rectangle the size of this, and I'm going to go right from that node down to that node. That's an exact copy. I'm going to nudge it down and I'm going to make it red. Now we created a lasso, it's going to be on top, but I want to go to object in order and put it to the back of the page. So there is our, what we want, which is like this or like this. So what we can do now is select both. You know what? I look like I got some of that butterfly. Let me move that out of the way. And go up to, and trim it. And look at that. So you trimmed, instead of having to, and that's not a very good color for roses or plants and butterflies, but instead of having to smart fill, you can just trim all that excess out. You know, it might be best just to make it black. So I hope that was understandable. I mean, this is like a neck. They were questioning if they could reverse the colors. Well, that's still not going to break it apart. And you almost have to make your, I've done this before, you almost have to make your rectangle the same size. Because if you don't make it the same size and you trim it now, you're going to get this. And now you've got that. Now, you could probably maybe still work with this, but you'd have to go left click, right click, take your virtual segment delete key and delete these lines, and then take this and fill it in, and it works. So two ways. So, but why go through those extra steps when you could do that? Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.